Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML attribute values which must be quoted. In XHTML, attribute values must always be quoted like this. I'm going to show you how this works now. We're having our anchor tag here. As you can see, we are inside we are having a link. We are linking it to this HTML1.html here, right? And we have our double quote in between it. But this one at the second place is not having double quote. Let's see the error that's going to happen. Let's get back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial where we started discussing about the link. You can check our HTML versus XHTML to know more about this and to follow along quickly. Let's use this one as an example. Let's say for instance now we are having a very clean link right here. Let me rewrite it. Let me quickly write one h1 tag there. Testing. I'm writing testing. After the testing, let me say I need one anchor tag here. This anchor tag here. Firstly let me write p tag here. Let me write anchor tag here. The anchor tag, let me keep it here. Let me keep HTML. We're having a file which is HTML. Let's use coffee file. So we want to pick a coffee file and we want to use link is here. So let me just reload our document. Can you see we are seeing our link, and when we click it, it takes us to this coffee page, right? So let's get back to our document. Let's say for instance now this double quote, now we mistakenly remove it. Let's remove it again. Let's now save our document. If we are going to see, let's see what will happen. Can you see we are having error? It says that it's not well formed. That's what it's telling us. It's telling us that this place now have to be having what? Double quote. So let's now give it double quotes quickly. It says the error it came from line number 9, column 14. So as you can see, it counted all these columns up to this place. That's why it gets column 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Understand? That's how it got this thing. So and line, as you can see, line number 9, column 14. So now let's give it double quote again. 1, it should remain this place. 2. Now save your document. When you save your document, you are going to see it's going to, can you see it's working now? Now working nicely now. When we click it, it's working now. That's what I want to show you guys quickly. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day, and to the next. I don't want this tutorial to get too long.